Hello, I'm Mohawk. And I'm Blackie the Poodle. And we're here for today's weather. Today's weather is kind of, well, it's okay. Now, let's walk over to the people that talk to us about the weather. Do-do-do-do-do. You coming? Nope. Okay. The people that talk to us about weather. First person, Spice. I think it's very cold outside. Now we're going to Pumpkin Seed. It is so not cold out. I love it. Now we're going to Collie. Well, I have nothing to say. It's nice. Bubble, 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 bubble. Hi, Mom. Hi. Hi. They don't get TV, do they? Now I'm going to show you what it looks like. Let me pick what side to show you. Okay, we're done. Now I'm going back to Ruby, who tells you the weather report. It's cloudy with a chance of meatballs. Stop reading out of your book. Okay, it's hot outside, cold outside. Hi, Mom. You're a professional. How would you say that? Okay, I'll just read out his book because he's reading Cloudy of a Chance with Meatballs. Okay. So as we walk through, that's what it looks like. Nice and sunny day. Okay, there's the moon, but it's not that light. Okay, yeah. It's a brick wall. Let's walk to it. Not a very good idea. And before I get knocked out, I'm going to go to Ruby. No, yeah. I call it Ruby. His name is Mohawk. Okay. Mohawk, what do you have to say? I have to say, it was very nice out until that showed up. Insulting! Really, I mean, there's a bug on my hand. Get off me! Get off me! Is it gone now? Yep. Uh-oh. Look behind you! That biggest bug on it! It's right on you! It's right on you! Okay, before I leave and before I freak out to death because there's a big giant spider on me, well, all I have to say is, that was the news! Look at me over! I'll be seeing you next in my game shows! Which the poodle won't be in. Don't tell her I told you. I can hear you. Okay, anyway, that was us. See you next time the poodle isn't here. Anyways, yeah, bye. The Mohawk bird's crazy. That was our show.